how good of you to join this video. Today we're gonna talk about network. Very short video, a couple of numbers, and that's it. But basically, network is the most important part for you to stay alive in the Web3. Whatever happens, it's your safety net. So, what should be the number of people that you know, that people that you have in your network? Should it be like 10 people? Should it be like 100? Should it be 1,000? That's why we're doing this video today. Actually, I was thinking about the whole networking block in the new Web3 Sales Gym course. If you like that idea, just drop me a comment or drop me a message on Telegram here. We're gonna talk about how to do networking. But at the end of the day, when you think about how many people you should need to have, it should be enough for you to get a new job in 2 weeks. So whatever happens, you should always have a person that you can call and then get an interview or just get a job right away. Usually that is shown through one, good work. So you have a good reputation on the market, plus your friendship with somebody. So there is already trust established between you and between somebody in order for you to always go and get a job. That's important blocker for any kind of problems that can happen to you. Then the network should be small enough for you to always keep in touch with them. So if you met somebody a year ago in Singapore and then you never chatted with them since then, and now you suddenly need something from them, well, that connection is going to be very dry. It's not a network. So your network needs to be small enough so you can continuously keep an eye on them. You continuously talk to them. You continuously send them value, messages, follow-ups, check-ins, whatever, like with normal prospects. If the first time you're hearing about this, check out the CRM networking video that I have on the channel. You'll get a whole concept. And lastly, it depends on your goals and plans. If your goals are to onboard everybody in Web3 to a specific product or service, then maybe you need a huge network of thousands of people. That's not going to be really a network. That's more about like the sales business. But your network should be tight, close, somebody that your safety net, your raft of rescue. And in order to have it, you need to invest into it. You need to build it. And building it is, we're going to give you all instruments and materials in the new Web3 Sales Gym course. If you want to get that, if you want to get your network game leveled up, leave your details in the first link and you're going to be added to the waitlist with a very nice discount. So we're going to be talking about network more and more on the course. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next week and also the next month. We probably going to focus on something mid-advanced. So this month we did advanced topics, very starter topics, and networking, I would say it's like middle complexity. Next week we're also going to focus more on the middle complexity. And if you're new to Web3, you've never been working here, and you've been working with a traditional background, like you have a big bank experience or whatever, and you just don't know how to break into this industry, that's exactly what you would need. Your key, your shortcut to knowing everyone. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.